Morning children. Today's activity is on cooking time. So Mahesh, pick one slip. What is that?
Pressure stove.
Which fuel is used in that?
Kerosene.
Okay. Vishnupriya, pick one slip. What is that?
Katur.
Which fuel is used in that?
Wood and coal.
Okay. Divyashri, pick one slip. What is that?
Frying pan.
Used for?
Shallow frying items like chapati and paratha.
Shiny, pick one slip. What is that?
Pressure cooker.
Used for?
Pressure cooker used for boiling items like dal, rice and momo schedule.
Okay. Bhavantej, pick one slip. What is that?
Wok.
Used for?
Wok is used for boiling,
Deep frying.
deep frying like samosa, puri.